Workouts are off the charts. Every day when I wake up, I feel incredible. All of my symptoms are gone. Snoring. I mean, forget about all the other stuff. Let's say you don't have high blood pressure, you don't got cholesterol, you don't got all this other stuff. How about your snoring? How about sleep apnea? Gary made that go away. Go see your doctor and see what your doctor tells you. Your doctor's going to put you on a CPAP machine that you strap to your face and you try to sleep all night while oxygen and water are blowing up your nose. It's ridiculous. You can't sleep. They either want to put you on pills or they want to sell you something else. I'm off all this stuff. I've never felt better in my life.